Hey guys, Alex Ryan here, and this is Ian.
Good morning to you all.
I just want to make a quick video just to, of course, you probably had a chat with Ian, or you might know him from a few other videos that we've done together, but I wanted to ask Ian, because he's always speaking to clients, he's always speaking to potential people wanting to join my course and work with me for the next 12 months, and I wanted to ask him, what is the biggest mistake? What's the biggest mistake people that you chat with have who want to sell on Amazon and they're just getting started?
Well, the biggest mistake that the majority of people have is that they just don't take action. That's the first thing. And then the people that do take action try and do it on their own. So I'm getting a lot of inquiries now that have spoken to you probably at the beginning of the year, Alex. And then they've gone off trying to do it on their own. They've gone through literally thousands of videos, free videos online, and they've got stuck and they've come back with their tail between their legs.
Yep.
And they've realised that the time that it's taken them from say January to now, they've wasted so much time and more importantly some money as well.
Yep.
So with the education and getting started quickly, this is what we do for you guys. We're here to help you, support you as well, and we're real people, and the most important thing to us is helping you create a successful Amazon business.
That's it. So guys, reach out to Ian, reach out to our team today. I love to help you, but like Ian said, it's really lack of action, lack of clarity. That's the reason why a lot of people don't end up getting things done, and it's a time sort of wasting exercise as well. If you don't know what you're doing and you start listing, you're trying to list your product or trying to choose a product, it's kind of like buying a rental property actually. If you're going to buy a rental property like out there somewhere, right? And you don't just buy it, you do your research, you make sure that you look at comparable sales in the area. I know because Ian's he's into property as well, right? And you do the research, how often do these properties like this sell, and what's the sales like been in the recent areas? You do research, you don't just go out there and buy something, do you?
Correct.
So it's the same thing goes with products, and a lot of people out there who are sort of new to selling on Amazon, they just go and buy a product hoping that it works, but that's why you need to actually go to someone who's actually done it before, who knows what the trending products are, who knows how to do the research, who can show you how to do the research as well. So knowing what to do, but also getting someone to bounce ideas off as well, getting that clarity.
Absolutely.
On the product as well. So reach out to us guys, I'd love to chat with you. Have a chat with Ian as well, and talk to you real soon. Bye-bye for now.
See ya.